This honey butter cornbread was so fire. You already know I'm really too nice. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm about to walk y'all through it right now. So first, you want to start off with 1 cup of sugar, right? Add that to your bowl. Now you want to add 2 tablespoons of honey. I only show you 1, but I use 2. Now we're gonna add 1 stick of salted butter. Now what you want to do is you want to get 2 large eggs. And let me tell you this, make sure you take that slimy part out the eggs. That's dirt. Now you want to whisk in 1 egg at a time, right? Now what you want to do is you want to get that other egg and repeat the same steps. Whisk that in. Now you want to add 1/3 cup of milk. Stir that in. Now this part is very crucial. Listen to me. You want to get 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. You want to add that in there. Then you already know I got my aunt with me. Aunt Jemima, shout out to you. Then we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now listen to me closely. You do not want to overmix everything. Just make sure you whisk until you see no more flour. Once it's yellow, you can stop and it should look like this. Perfect. Nice and yellow. Listen, now I know you know 2 things about me, right? I'm really too nice and you know I got a bev, but this right here is so fire, you don't got to cut nothing. So what I did was I added some butter to each section to make sure that it does not stick in the oven. And I added 2 tablespoons to each section. That's all you need. 2 tablespoons is going to do its job in the oven, right? Now, I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 for 20 minutes, and it's going to come out looking like this. If you want it a little bit darker, you can add more minutes to it, but this is perfect for me. And what I did was I added a little bit more honey butter. Then I threw some more honey on top. I'm really too nice, and make sure you subscribe.